Ew, ew. Yo, what up, my nigga? What up, my nigga? Yo, what's good, my nigga? What going on, B? I see you, nigga, I see you. Yeah, son, I mean, I ain't gonna lie, son. Not here, I'm thinking about some things, B. I'm thinking about some things, Cade. Yo, word up, son. Yo, chill. Listen, you know what I'm saying? Look. Take it easy, because when niggas come up to me with the thinking about some things and all that, my brain start kind of going a little wild, and I don't know what the fuck going on. You know what I'm saying? All I know right now, I'm about this chicken, I'm about to get in these bitches, and that's what it's about. You know what I mean? Word up. Because this gun go off, you know what I mean? Yo, son, I know, I understand. You know you my nigga, and you know that, nigga. You know you my nigga and all that, son. But I'm just saying, though, I'm thinking about some things, yo. Alright, what you, yo, hey, look, just spit the shit you talking about, man, for real, because just let me know what the fuck is really going on, B. Yo, I ain't even gonna hold you. I'm thinking about this rap shit, you know what I'm saying? I'm thinking about doing this rap shit, so. Yo, what you mean, you rapping, nigga? What the fuck you talking? Nah, son, nigga, nah, son, I'm talking about these little homies, man. These little Martian gang niggas. Some niggas, they calling themselves Martian gang, nigga. Niggas they about the rap shit, son. They rapping, son. Real talk. Little homies from the hood, nigga. Doing what they gotta do, son. I'm feeling that shit, though. Word up, B. What? Fuck you talking about some little niggas to me, yo? Let me tell yo. Nigga, I ain't got no time to be there about no little niggas right now. I'm doing what I'm doing, man. Fuck is going on? Nah, son, I'm telling you, yo, listen, my man done picked up the deal with them niggas. We got to do his little management shit, and I'm trying to, I ain't even trying to get left out, man. I'm trying to jump on it, son. Real talk. I don't even know what you saying, but thinking about this rap shit right now, for real. What? Yo, listen, I done told you already. Stop all this bullshit, the hoop dreaming and all of that. All y'all niggas wanna rap, all y'all niggas wanna be up and all that. I ain't got time. I ain't got time for this shit. Nah, nigga. Furred up, nah. I'm about this chicken now, nigga. This gun go off, nigga. Fuck you talking about? This gun go the fuck off. You know what I'm saying? I'm about this chicken right now, nigga. All that hoop dream shit, all that waiting shit, all that. Nah, son. Niggas ain't gonna be talking to me in your way. Listen, I don't know what you saying right now, but I know I'm trying to do what I'm trying to do. And if these little homies can take me there, I'm fucking rolling with it. Real spit, B. Niggas got that piff. I heard they shit. They shit is crazy. It's out of control. It's space cadet type shit. And I'm feeling it, so I'm rolling with it. You know what I mean? That's what it's about. You know what I mean? The movement, as they say, it's the movement. You know what I'm saying? If you ain't with it, fuck you. That's their slogan shit. Some shit. Niggas got some next shit too. They be like, we not the same shit. That shit is crazy. I like that shit. I'm feeling that shit, B. Yo, you gotta hear the shit. Yo, listen. Get the fuck out of here with this rap shit, son. Word up, I'm not. Yo, listen. Last time I was with this rap shit, it was 50 Cent in them era and all that. Now I don't give a fuck. Matter of fact, I don't give a fuck. So Weezy came along, got all that bread off niggas, you know what I'm saying? Drake, all these Canadian niggas making money, and nah, nigga, I ain't got time for that shit no more. I gotta be getting this chicken now, nigga. This gun go the fuck off, and I don't know what you coming. Yo, why you getting mad? You see, you that non-type nigga, yo. I already see what type of nigga you is, B. I tried to come to you for some support. You know what I'm saying? I done told you what I'm thinking about you, and all I'm getting is nah from you, son. You a nah-man ass nigga, son. Feeling that shit, B. I ain't come to you for that, son. I came for some, you know what I'm saying? Some God and light shit, son. You do what you got to do, my nigga type shit. And instead, I'm getting this nah shit, man. I ain't with that nah-man shit, man. Yo, word up? For real. Yo, listen. Yo, son, hold on. You getting crazy on me? You getting crazy? Yo, you trying to disrespect, nigga? You trying to disrespect how we get this money, nigga? What the fuck you been doing all these years, nigga? You know how we been getting this money? You gonna have to just... Yo, listen, I don't know about you, but I'm trying to be on them. I'm trying to be on the stage, nigga. I'm trying to be up in them videos, nigga. I'm trying to be at the awards, nigga. I done made up my mind off that shit, man. I'm tired of this shit you talking out here now, man. You know what I mean? Yo, why are you fucking disrespecting my whole hustle, everything, what I do, what I built, what the, you know what I'm saying? What you done ate chicken off of? I done made you, you don't got chicken off my shit enough times, and you gonna come disrespect me like that on my fucking corner? Get the fuck out of here with that shit, man. Fuck out of here, nigga. Yeah, nigga, nah, nigga. It's nah season, nigga. A nah man ass nigga. You calling me a nah man? Then so be it. Nah the fuck. Nah man ass nigga, it will be, nigga. Fuck out of here with that rap shit, nigga. bullshit ass shit, man. Fuck this nigga talking about. Martian what? Martian who? Nigga, if you don't get the fuck out of here with this Martian shit, nigga. Fuck out of here. I'm out, nigga.